Hello everyone, this is our tiger sword training session, and this time we are going to learn one of the well-known and famous fundamental tiger sword form is called 初级刀. 初级 means elementary, 刀 means tiger sword, and this form is a fundamental sword form. I remember when I was at the Kung Fu school, this is the first tiger sword form I learned. Alright, now like I always see, foundations are the roots. If you want your Kung Fu become very good, you have to build up a solid, strong foundation. And this form is the foundation for your tiger sword practice. Alright, so if you want to be very good with your tiger sword, right, you want to be very good with it and lay down to learn the advanced tiger sword form. You have to practice more fundamental training for the tiger sword. Alright, now this form is not too difficult, but like I mentioned before, it has a lot fundamental training for the tiger sword, such as step sword, 刺刀, 劈刀, 撩刀, like picking, 撩刀, right? And also we have rabbit head, 缠头, 国脑. 缠头 is rabbit head forward, 国脑 is rabbit head backwards. So those are the foundations, alright? And gradually, you will learn, lay down, see, we learned those combos before. See, like 碗花, oh, this is 五花. Make the sword like a flower, 五花. And combine together, become step sword. And this form doesn't have this move, alright? It has a lot of foundations, like stances. And also rabbit head backwards, and those are the foundations. So practice this form is really going to help with your tiger sword practice. Okay, improve your tiger sword techniques and skills. All right. So now I'm going to demonstrate this whole form to you. After the demonstration, we can learn this form in details. And also be aware. Remember, later on I can break down the moves, how do you know the application for the moves, we can separate as well to explain to you. And also see the rabbit head, how to use it as well. Okay? Now enjoy the demonstration.